Hello students, good morning. I am Markandeya Mishra. Today I will teach you the sixth chapter of science, that is life processes, which means जैविक क्रियाएं. In this chapter we will study the basic functions of body and the mechanism which takes place in our body to maintain our lives. We can define the process, life process, the process which maintain body functions. ऐसी प्रक्रिया जो हमारी बॉडी फंक्शंस को, शारीरिक क्रियाकलापों को मेंटेन रखता है एंड नेसेसरीज फॉर सर्वाइवल, और हमारी शारीरिक जरूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए जो क्रियाएं की जाती हैं इज कॉल्ड लाइफ प्रोसेस. उसी को लाइफ प्रोसेस कहा जाता है, जैविक क्रियाएं कहा जाता है. इन शॉर्ट I will tell you the process which takes place in our body so that our body can maintain it, and the important functions of body may be. These processes are called life processes. We can define the life process in other words, all the process which together keep the living organisms alive and perform tasks to maintain their body is called life process. That means all the process means सभी क्रियाएं which together keep living organisms alive, जो सभी एक साथ हो करके किसी लिविंग बॉडी को, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को एलाइव रखती हैं, जीवित रखती हैं. मीन्स वे सभी क्रियाएं जिनके होने से कोई शरीर जीवित रहता है एंड परफॉर्म टास्क टू मेंटेन देयर बॉडी, और वह विभिन्न कार्यों को करता रहता है ताकि उस ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी मेंटेन रहे, यथावत बनी रहे, पहले जैसी ही बनी रहे. Those processes are called life processes. You can take the screenshot for the definition. Now, I will tell you what are the processes which come in this category. First of all is nutrition. That means पोषण. This is the process by which we gain energy that is required for our body. Second is respiration. That means श्वसन. Third is transportation. That means स्थानांतरण या पारगमन. Fourth is excretion. That means उत्सर्जन. These are the processes which combine together to make a body maintain and alive. So they are called the life processes. In other words, I will tell you, life process के अंतर्गत ये चार फंक्शंस आते हैं जो हमारे बॉडी में कंटिन्यूअस होते रहते हैं. इन्हीं को एक साथ मिलाने के बाद जो प्रोसेस हमको हमको मिलता है वही लाइफ प्रोसेस होता है, जैविक क्रियाएं होती हैं, दैट इज न्यूट्रिशन। न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स पोषण। यह वह प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा हम अपने बॉडी के लिए जो रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी होती है उसे फूड मटेरियल्स से गेन करते हैं, प्राप्त करते हैं। जब ये फूड हमारे बॉडी में पहुंच जाता है तो इसका रिस्पिरेशन होता है, मीन्स द प्रोसेस बाय विच वाइटल एनर्जी जनरेटेड, मीन्स जैविक ऊर्जा जिस प्रक्रिया के द्वारा जनरेट होती है, उत्पन्न होती है, उसे रिस्पिरेशन कहते हैं। इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर यू विल स्टडी दैट देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ रिस्पिरेशन, ऑक्सीजन, एनएचसी। Here only we will study what is respiration. And third process is transportation, when the needy materials, necessary materials which is obtained from our food come in simpler form. It is very necessary that these materials should reach the smallest part of the body, that is cell, and for this function the system works. This comes in the process of transportation, by which all the food materials or all the energy reaches in the every part of the body, and the last function is excretion, that means excursion. By the process of nutrition, respiration and transportation, certain materials are formed which are not necessary for our body, and as well as these materials are harmful for our body. This is the process by which the harmful materials in our body go out from our body, and in this way the life maintains and live. So you can say that the process by which body performs its works and lives is called life process. There are 4 functions related with the mechanism of body, that are nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion, and they combine with each other to perform the physical body processes. So these mechanisms make a complete process that is called life process. That's all for the life process. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.